मैंने वो किया जो तूने चाहा, तूने पर कुछ न सराहा, मैं रिश्ता संभालता ही रह गया, रह गया. Oh, Ruby Ruby from Sanju, because I had to sing it like Sanjay Dutt.
Right.
And he's got that tone and
Correct.
body in his voice,
Yeah.
So kind of I had to imitate how he talks. And AR sir asked me to do it.
What do you say?
He's like, get hypothetically high and sing. Actually, I would also like to give the actor the
credit
credit for adapting to voices so seamlessly,
Absolutely.
which is Ranbir Kapoor. I think he's fantastic. If you watch him in Rockstar, the way his Adam's apple is
Correct.
moving when
Exactly.
when the Mohit Chauhan is singing a few things, and it actually moves like that when you sing it.
Correct.
So he did his research. He he doesn't sing nice. I've heard him sing.
So before anything, let me introduce myself. मैं हूँ RJ गौरिका. सीधा हम हैदराबाद से आए हैं क्योंकि हमें पता चला कि okay, शाश्वत सिंह is coming here. So we should do a 1-to-1 here. किसी ने आपकी बुराई हमसे करी तो हमने कहा
Oh, damn.
जरा बुराई के बारे में हम first hand जानते हैं. But first tell me, हैदराबाद में क्या बुराई है? Why are we not doing this interview there? Why did I have to come here?
मैं कितनी बार हैदराबाद आया,
हाँ.
बुलाया गया.
Oh, ठीक है ये हम
See,
जाने
there you
देंगे,
go.
ये हम जाने देंगे. Good one,
Good one,
one.
na?
Yeah.
Thanks.
But speaking of Burai, congratulations.
Thank you.
What a beautiful track. Really triggered me in the worst way possible. But I think that's like, I think the biggest success of any artist if you can evoke an emotion
Of course.
in your audiences, right?
Yeah.
बुराई की एक बात जो कई सारे लोग, I think, people talk about heartbreak, but talking about the heartbreak where there's no closure, where you're just left and you're questioning yourself, I don't think there's a lot of art out there that's delving into that. So how did this happen? How did y'all decide कि
Funny
okay,
thing is, we decided to release this just before Valentine's.
exactly. I was like, ये तो बड़ा ironic हो रखा है, but honestly,
क्योंकि
हाँ,
by stats, there are a lot of heartbreaks during Valentine's Day.
correct.
So it was for them.
Oh, so we've done our market research. नहीं, बहुत बढ़िया. But मुझे बताएं, इस गाने में ऐसी कोई लाइन है जो आपको गाना सबसे ज्यादा पसंद है?
Yeah, that. Can I sing it and show you?
Yes, please.
मैंने वो किया जो तूने चाहा, तूने पर कुछ न सराहा, मैं रिश्ता संभालता ही रह गया, रह गया. सारी प्यारी यादों की हमारी. This one. तूने तस्वीरें जो उतारी, दीवारों पे मैं कील बन के रह गया, रह गया. This is my favorite line.
I love that. Honestly, when I saw the video and when I saw her taking off the pictures from
Right.
the wall,
Yeah.
and
So
then you
rude.
said मैं दीवार पे कील बन गया, मैंने कहा यार ये तो एकदम सीधा एकदम दिल पे लग रहा है. Very, very, very beautiful.
Beautifully written by Siddhant Kaushal. He's the writer.
Right.
So for the first time when I heard the song, the melody by Harun and Gavin, it's amazing.
Correct.
But when I focused on the lyrics, I was like, Siddhant, what happened, bro? Like,
Absolutely.
what did you go through
To write
wrote
this.
this? But then I realized that it's such a common emotion that people go through,
Right.
not getting a closure.
Correct.
And just being left while you're on a path and getting abandoned by anyone. I think it's not just, well, this song is of course about the lover, but it could be by your friends, by family. You feel that emotion of getting abandoned. So yeah, that's what this song is about.
That makes sense. And honestly beautiful. आपकी आवाज़ में भी वो मतलब दर्द I think बहुत ही बेहतरीन तरीके से हमें सुनने को मिला. So when you are recording such songs, because you are doing songs that are talking about various emotions, but this is a very different emotion, right? Because here I could feel that hurt on your behalf. जब आप ऐसे गाने कर रहे हो, what is the zone that you're in and how do you sort of shift to that zone?
Oh, it's mostly, of course, because now we've been doing this for a while. Flowing into an emotion is like just, okay, let's tap into that.
Wow.
Like how an actor would get into a certain character, but they are at the end of the day what they are, right?
Correct.
So it's like breaking into that emotion. But yeah, technically, how do I get into the zone is lyrics, the poetry, what it means, what it's trying to express.
Right.
So that helps a lot. And of course, melody guides you in its own way.
Correct.
And then there is a team of people sitting in the studio telling you, "Acha, ye karo, ye mat karo."
Right, right.
So there's a lot of that. But yeah, tapping into that emotion, it's like, yeah. You also, because like I said, it's a common thing. I have been through it. So
Yeah,
I
yeah.
know what it feels like.
Absolutely. So you're
so
just
yeah.
tapping into that emotion.
Yeah.
आपने एक इंटरव्यू में कहा था कि म्यूजिशियंस या सिंगर्स जो होते हैं वो वोकल एक्टर्स होते हैं,
Right.
राइट? ऐसा कोई गाना है दैट चैलेंज्ड यू टू एक्ट? आई एम नॉट सेइंग चैलेंज्ड यू एज अ सिंगर बट चैलेंज्ड यू एज एन एक्टर.
Oh, Ruby from Sanju, because I had to sing it like Sanjay Dutt.
Right.
And he's got that tone and
Correct.
body in his voice,
Yeah.
So kind of I had to imitate how he talks. And AR sir asked me to do it.
What do you say?
He's like, get hypothetically high and sing. Those were his words. So I was like, okay, cool. Let's
So
tap into that now.
My goodness, so there must be a stark difference from like the other songs and this song in particular.
Yeah.
Was
Huge
there
difference.
any एक ऐसा कोई चीज जो आपने deliberately इस गाने में किया है that's very very audible?
There's that grunt that I've done. अभी तो आ नहीं रहा है. He's got that thing now. That thing.
Correct.
He does that a lot. So Ruby. I go in that space little
Bro,
bit.
I really thought this is Sanjay Dutt. Like I was like, oh my god, hi.
So modulation is like a thing. I love doing it.
Amazing.
Yeah, and because then I got trained in Western classical in A.R. Rahman sir's music
Right.
college.
Right.
So there we were doing opera singing, right? Western classical singing. So you have to do that Nesandorma kind of tone.
Wow.
So you got to change, make it
Wow.
soft, got to make it fat and different things.
I
So
love
just play around with the vocal
I
cords.
love that. In fact, I was going to ask you
Yeah.
कि आप जब उस स्कूल में गए, I'm sure you were surrounded by like-minded people, by very very creative
Yeah.
people.
Best time of my life.
I am 100% sure. But आपने इतना सब कुछ सीखा होगा उधर से. ऐसी कोई एक चीज जो आपने वहाँ से सीखी है that you still abide by, like it's just a prerequisite for you. You have to start by it, or you have to inculcate it in your process.
I mean, Riyaz is that thing. That's it. That's pretty much it. Because every day you got to get up, and that's the zone. That's the time when you get up. Your voice is so relaxed.
Yeah.
So you got to do your courage, go down in the notes, and so those are few things that you do every single day. Keep your tonality going, and the projection strength, everything. It really helps. Those basics always help.
Absolutely.
Just like singing sa for 20 minutes. That's it.
My goodness.
So it's meditative. It can get boring as well.
Yeah.
But then if you're trying to focus on what you're trying to do, when you're trying to stabilize that one note without a breath, doing anything to it, So that's the focus. It's like meditation actually. Yeah.
That's beautiful. That's beautiful. देखिए singing तो आप बहुत ही कमाल करते हैं, लेकिन acting is something that I saw in this video for the first time. Tell me, did Nidhi Didi give you classes?
Oh man.
How is this? How did acting
So
happen though?
I thought of telling her first कि ऐसा होने वाला है
Yeah.
तो कुछ बोलो तो मतलब give me some ज्ञान.
Right.
But then I thought I'll surprise her.
How sweet.
But I told her there's something going on and I'm
Yeah.
going for a video, but she didn't know that there's going to be an actress and I have
Oh.
there's like a character and all of that. So, but yeah, I actually did not plan this at all. I just woke up that day and I thought, okay, let's just be confident about it, And then when I met Aditi Singh, who's the actress,
Yes.
she was really chill and she was like, don't worry, I know you're a musician and we'll get it out of you, don't worry. So I was like, okay, thank you.
Nice.
Yeah,
That's
she was really
very,
supportive.
very
Yeah.
nice.
And the whole crew was really supportive.
That's very
Yeah,
sweet.
yeah.
But are we going to see you act more in your own videos?
I want to. I only want to be the actor in my music videos. There shouldn't be anyone else.
I love that for you. I love that for you. Because a lot of times, this is one question that I've asked a lot of singers की, क्योंकि आप playback singing करते हैं तो आप किसी एक actor के लिए उनकी आवाज़ दे रहे हैं, right?
Right.
Is there one actor that you feel कि, my voice perfectly fits this actor's demeanor?
I Actually, I would also like to give the actor uh,
The credit for
the credit
yeah,
for adapting to voices so seamlessly, which
absolutely.
is Ranbir Kapoor. I think he's fantastic. If you watch him in Rockstar, the way his Adam's apple is
Correct.
moving when
Exactly.
the Mohit Chauhan is singing a few things, and it actually moves like that when you sing it.
Correct.
So he did his research. He like try. He doesn't sing nice. I've heard him sing, but he figured those few things and used that in his acting. That's amazing. That's an amazing
Absolutely.
artist right there.
Absolutely.
So and I've sung the maximum number of songs for him. So I would say yeah,
Ranbir Kapoor it
Yeah,
is.
for sure.
Lovely. Can we talk about what? Because I think
Yeah.
that's where it started from. जब आपको मालूम चला कि this song is for Ranbir, did that change your process or your approach to this song in some way, or were you like,
No.
नहीं नहीं
I
नहीं?
was so nervous that this is the first song with A.R. Rahman. I was not thinking about Ranbir Kapoor in that. For me, main focus was sir ko अच्छा लगना चाहिए.
Obviously.
Yeah, and it was a very matlab when I sang it for the first time, it was only a bass line
Yeah.
and the beat. That's it. There was nothing else on the track.
What are you saying?
So I sang on that the whole thing. And uske baad I think that went to Arijit and then he recorded his bits.
Right, the hum humai se.
Correct. So I sang the whole thing earlier. And then they used the Chamak Choriya se nayan, that portion they used.
Right.
Yeah, but it was so fun because first of all, very close to the language is very close to the place I come from,
And
Allahabad.
that
Yeah.
प्रयागराज
So
के हैं
yes,
आप. क्या बात है?
so and this is more like Awadhi.
Hmm.
So that's the conversation I had with Imtiaz sir as well
Yeah.
the first time because they called me to the studio and they said there's a Skype session. They didn't tell me who it was. I was like, okay, ठीक है. I sat, ऐसा laptop खुला, Imtiaz Ali pops in. I'm like, what's going on? Then he says, okay, hi Shashwat, and got to know you're from this place. And I'm like, yeah. Like, okay, there's this song and I want you to, do you know the language? I'm like, sir, I've been raised there, like, school kiya hua hai. No, don't worry at all. I'll give you what you need. And that's it. We sang and
How cool is
I didn't know that it'll come out, but it did.
But tell me, A.R. रहमान साहब का कहा जाता है कि बहुत ही मतलब इंट्रिकेट होते हैं उनके सारे कॉम्पोजिशंस, द टू मेनी लेयर्स टू इट, राइट? जब आप रिकॉर्ड कर रहे थे कोई ऐसा पार्ट था where you were just improvising and that improvisation actually made it to the final cut as well?
So I usually with his melodies, I don't really improvise much
Yeah.
because unless he tells me to,
Yeah.
which was the case with Sanju.
Correct.
And a bit in Mohenjo-daro as well. Sarsariya, the song that I sang. But otherwise, I really, for every time, and actually it's not just with him, it's with all the composers.
Yeah.
I always ask them, is this exactly how you want it? Then I'll give you the exact same thing. But if you want me to give some inputs, definitely we can take some more takes and give you that. You compile it later.
That's
So
beautiful.
like the
That's
thing.
beautiful. You know, there's a saying that the best actors are the directors' actors and the best singers are the composers' singers.
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, so I think we're ticking that
Because
box.
if they're not happy, there's no point. You know?
Absolutely.
Yeah,
You
it's
have
their
to follow
vision.
their vision.
It's the
बिल्कुल.
composer's vision.
बिल्कुल. But improvisation तब आती है जब आप maybe live perform कर रहे हैं.
Yeah, of course. That
Right.
when on stage, it's a different ball game. Stage is mine, so I can do whatever I want.
Absolutely.
And there are times in the studio when they'll be like, "हाँ, यहाँ पे का आलाप करो." So that आलाप, they'll not tell you specifically कि ये आलाप करो.
Correct.
Then you take that alap based
Right.
on what the rag is and
Right.
where you want to go with it.
Right.
So that's the little spot you get in the studio to improvise at times. And then there are some really nice composers who are like, आप जैसा गाना चाहते हैं, गाइए. Like, okay, cool.
That's lovely. Speaking of stage, आपने अरिजीत सिंह के साथ भी काफ़ी टूर किया है. आपने उनके साथ गाया भी काफ़ी है. In fact, वट में a lot of people are like, ये सिर्फ शाश्वत ही गा रहे हैं पूरा गाना.
Oh,
And some people are like, ये सिर्फ
he's
अरिजीत ही
Arijit
गा
guy.
रहे हैं.
वो पता
Have you
नहीं
heard
क्यों है वो there is this confusion that the audience has. I think what has happened, I'll tell you what.
हाँ.
Little heavier topic, but there's this trend of mixing singers on one song that started around the same time, I think 2015,
Right.
where there'll be multiple singers on the same song. So for a listener who doesn't really care about who's on the song, but they enjoy the music,
Right.
for them, they'll read a few names. Maybe out of the 3 names, one will stay in their head,
Correct.
and that song belongs to that singer.
Yeah.
That confusion started and it stayed, and it's got its your drawbacks as well.
Absolutely.
And but it's okay. At the end of the day, I get to go on stage and sing them anyway. So yeah.
Because I have heard so many people get confused between you and Arjit. Abhi show me the thumka maybe.
That's a very big compliment. Thank you.
Yeah.
Because that guy, he can sing.
How was it working with him?
Oh, he is phenomenal. He's just in his own zone, and
Yeah.
we all live in his world. It's like that, you know.
Period. He's the main
And-
character.
Yeah. And I mean, he doesn't care. He doesn't care if he's the main character or someone else is. That's the thing. He's there for a specific thing. He'll come to it.
Yeah.
Then he'll be off.
That's
I remember we
amazing.
finished Global Citizen show tha ek,
Huh.
and Arjit started the whole fest.
Hmm.
And the finale was Coldplay. That was the first time Coldplay performed in Bombay.
Oh.
But the man was not there. He finished his bit and he left. And there was one other musician who did the same thing. And I have so much respect for both of them. Mohini Day.
Oh.
She did her show with AR and she left. They
Legends.
didn't stay
They
for
were
this.
there-
I
they-
mean,
they
they
were there
have
for a
seen
job.
Coldplay perform in other countries probably. That's why.
Correct.
And they've had their fair share of Coldplay. But I was like, okay, cool, that's cool. Because you're like, okay, now I have this other thing to do, so I'm going to go do that.
शाश्वत, speaking of music, अगर आपका ऐसा कोई time capsule बने, right, where we can only put 3 Shashwat Singh songs,
Acha,
and these 3 songs describe your discography, or these 3 songs describe who you are, आप इस time capsule में कौन से 3 गाने डालना चाहेंगे?
There's a song called Oh Ashika from 99 Songs, A.R. Rahman. And that, it's a haunting melody. And I really like it.
Would you like
I'm
to
planning to make that my show intro as well. The band is about to work on it.
Would you like to
So-
do a
So
line for us?
I'll sing a few lines.
Yeah.
Oh आशिका तूने क्या दिल दिया दिल लेने के लिए ही दिल दिया हूरों की चाहत में अमृत पिया तो क्या पिया ओ प्यासेया तू जिया तू जिया तू जिया तू जिया तो यारा क्या जिया ओ जिया तू जिया तू जिया तू जिया तू यारा क्या जिया, and it goes on like symphony around it and chorus. Oh, it grows. That song grows. So that one song, and हाँ मैं गलत for sure. Yeah.
How can we ignore that?
I enjoy that song so much. Every single I performed it like so many times on
I'm
stage.
sure.
I'd never get bored performing that song.
I'm sure.
And what else?
Last song.
Yeah. Why not?
Sure, he's not
it's-
convinced.
It's my first song.
Yeah.
What? If I can put one more song, it will be the Kesariya dance mix.
Oh, of course.
I love that song.
Of course. It's
Because
so...
it was the way it's been shot also, if you watch it in
Yeah.
actually
yeah.
it wasn't released in the movie.
वो बाद में हुआ,
with the-
बहुत बाद
with the
में हुआ.
video.
Correct.
I'll tell you what happened. It leaked, right? When they were shooting in Banaras. That's what happened.
Yeah.
And then they were like, अरे ये तो अब क्या करें? Because सब वीडियो ले रहे हैं, मेरे को भी आ रहा है कि भाई तेरी आवाज
Correct.
शूट में चल रहा है, ये चल रहा है.
Yeah.
Like, awesome, चलो अभी तक रूम में बरकरार है. And suddenly then they changed the narrative in the movie also because it's supposed to be a serious time in the movie.
Oh, और यहाँ ये dance कर
because
रहे
they go to Banaras to save one of the Gurujis.
Correct.
Then suddenly they can't be like, खिड़की पे आजा गोरी, they can't do that. So good they decided to, go the other way, take the
Nice.
romantic path.
100%.
But yeah, it was that song is really fun.
It is.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Shashwat.
Thank
this
you.
was a lovely, lovely conversation,
This is
and I
fun.
hope the next time we get to meet in Hyderabad as
In
well.
Hyderabad, let's do that.
हम बुलाएंगे, हम जरूर बुलाएंगे. हमने कब नहीं
Definitely.
बुलाई, ये आपका ही घर है. आपको आप कभी भी enter कर सकते हैं.
Definitely. I love that city. It's so
Yeah.
good. Yeah.
We're
yeah.
waiting for you. Thank you so much. Thank you so
Thank you.
much.